Now the park closes at 7:30, so you have plenty of time to enjoy it. Just be mindful that even though there's quite a lot of additional parking, it gets filled up pretty quickly.
Yeah, it does. I fortunately have this luck for parking
Thank God.
everywhere we go. I usually chant Lucky Parker, Lucky Parker, Lucky Parker.
And it works. You guys.
And it works for me.
He's not joking. It works every time.
And like the bend and snap works every time. So last time we were here, we dared to take that little path there, and we went right in front of the ruin. As you can see, the ruin is right there. So we went along the side of the fence and got a different angle.
So here we go, you guys. I had to make it to this very end from where I was going down the stairs a minute ago. I have to get this view for you because you have to see it. It's, you know, it's one of those things that you have to see it up close. And as you can see, I'm on the other side where you can still see the mills, and hopefully you can hear the sound. Really, really relaxing. And again, if you do decide to do this, please do watch your step. And look at you guys. That's how close I am to the ruins. It is really surreal. And a little bit more of the mills from this angle. Isn't that cool, you guys? Like, it really, really makes me wonder what this would have looked like in the, 1849 when it was built, and how many people have gone through here. Isn't this amazing? And you'll see a little bit more. See? Look at that. I'm just glad that, places like this is still around, and also that it's, close to the public, it's fenced. Because, sadly, a lot of people don't respect history, but just enjoy the views, you guys. Amazing, isn't it? So I did touch the water. It is cold, but it's not as cold as I thought it was gonna be. that's not to say that I'm gonna jump and go swimming. That's not gonna happen. But I had to touch it just to know. So I'm making my way back from where I was just a few seconds ago. You can definitely hear the sounds. Again, very soothing, very relaxing. And these rocks can be kind of slippery, so just be mindful of that and be careful. And as you can see, there's no trespassing allowed, so just keep that in mind. Look how tall that is. It's super tall. And that's where I was before. So now I'm trying to make it down without falling. Because of this sand, it's a little slippery. Look at all the shells. They're everywhere. And flowers. Let me get up close here. You can see. Really, really beautiful place. And that's the bridge. Not the bridge, but the stairs that we just came down a while ago. So see, you have to watch your step. And just so you know, when you get to the very corner, right here, it can be challenging. So just be careful as you do it. I just want to do it so that, and there goes I think it was a snake. You just see, there's a snake right there in the water. Did you guys see it? It's right in the corner. You see it? Let's try to you guys can see it, but it's right there. Right there. Tiny snake, but hey, you got to see one. So there you go. They are around. So this is what I was telling you guys. If you're gonna do this, just be careful. And you gotta do this to make it to the other end. And I'm back in safe territory, so there goes the other look. The other side of the mills. You can see this angle as well. And again, there goes the sign. So just keep that in mind. I'm sure they're watching, so. And I hope you guys enjoyed that part of the video. Oh my god. Where am I? I think he's coming. Leave me alone! I'm so afraid. Stop it! Leave me alone! I think he's coming.
All right, y'all. So we have officially come to the end of our journey.
Ooh, and there goes some sound in the back. That makes it official.
Yes.
So we hope that you have enjoyed today's trip.
Absolutely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Your support would be greatly appreciated. So we hope to catch you on our next one.
See you next time.
Bye.